Then there na ta sa last part on how to integrate third-party apps with use Zapier or make with your Shopify.io sub-account. First is go to settings and proceed to integration to see all native integration available, Google, Facebook, Stripe, QuickBooks, etc. And for apps not natively supported, use Zapier. Kung hindi supported, gamit ng tag Zapier or make formerly Integromat to connect Shopify.io with thousands of other tools. And in Zapier, make search for Go High Label as the app. Connect your account and set up your automation triggers action. So, proceed to sa settings. Then integration. Facebook. And for apps nga natively supported, use Zapier. Okay. Zapier. So third party apps di siya, so wala di siya dili. So kaning integration is dito lang ni sa mga supported like mga na diri. Diri pwede nimo ni connect tanan yung mga account. And if dili they supported is pwede ka mogamit og Zapier, then search lang kag Go High Level as the app or mag-download ka, then dito ni may pang-connect mo mga account and set up dayon sa imong mga automation. So kato lang siguro, thank you.